In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create zip files in Power Automate. To get started on this handy skill, you'll first want to launch Power Automate Desktop. Go ahead and open up the Power Automate Desktop application on your computer. Once that's up and running, you're ready to dive into creating a new flow, which is the next step in our process. To create a new flow, simply click on the New Flow button. You'll be prompted to give your flow a memorable name, something that clearly indicates the task it performs for easy identification later. Now that your flow is named and ready, the next step is to add the required zip files action. In the action pane on the left of the screen, you'll find a search bar. Type zip files into this bar to locate the specific action we need for compressing files within your flow. Once you've found it, drag the zip files action over to your flow canvas. This step essentially tells Power Automate what you want to accomplish. In this case, creating a zip file. With the zip files action in your flow, it's time to configure it to suit your specific needs. Let's start with the archive path. Here, you'll specify the full path where you'd like the zip file to be created. This typically looks something like users was your name/documents archived zip. Make sure that the path you provide is accurate to avoid any issues during the process. Next, it's crucial to determine which files or folders you want to compress. Under the Files to Zip section, list all the files or folders that should be included in this zip archive. It's essential to be precise with this part to ensure everything you want is included. You then have the option to choose the compression level. This is where you decide how much you want to compress these files. If you're looking to save maximum space, select Best Compression. However, remember that this might take a little longer to execute, depending on your file sizes and system performance. There's also an optional feature where you can add a password to your zip file for security. If you prefer to encrypt your zip file, simply enter a password in the password field. This ensures that only those with the password can access the contents of the zip, adding an extra layer of security to your zipped files. After everything is configured to your liking, it's time to save and run the flow. Click the Save button to ensure all your settings are stored, and then click on Run to execute. This will initiate the flow and create your zip file in the specified location. Now you've learned how to efficiently create zip files using Power Automate, making your file management tasks quicker and easier.